Hello, today I shall show you how to fix the issue where Windows 11 does not assign a drive letter to an external disk or USB drive. When you plug in a USB or external hard drive, the system detects the device, but it does not appear in File Explorer. You may see the drive in Disk Management, but it has no drive letter assigned, which prevents access through File Explorer. In the following steps, I will guide you on how to fix this issue. Step 1, open Disk Management. Click the search icon on the taskbar. Type partition and select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Step 2, identify and assign a drive letter to your USB. In the Disk Management window, look for your USB drive in the list of volumes. You can recognize it by checking its capacity and by looking for the label removable. If you're not sure, unplug and replug the USB, then observe which entry disappears and reappears. Once identified, right-click on the USB volume area and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths from the menu. In the dialog box, click Add. Choose a letter from the drop-down, then click OK to confirm. The USB will now appear in File Explorer with the new drive letter, and you can access your files as normal. This method is useful when your USB is recognized by the system but does not appear in File Explorer due to a missing drive letter. By manually assigning a drive letter, you restore full access to the USB contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.